Upstream fed batch optimization can only get you so far. Ultimately, your upstream suite will become throughput and/or productivity limited, impacting some of your most important business decisions, such as how many programs you run and where you manufacture. If you want to get to the next level, you need to make each program deliver more, faster, intensify. Process intensification can deliver twice the output in half the time. A 10,000 liter process can be reduced to a 500 liter process with an intensification device. The time from working cell bank to production can be reduced to as little as 10 days. Intensification increases throughput in clinical manufacturing, number of batches in commercial manufacturing, or boosts productivity per run in either. When you intensify and downsize, you need smaller reactors, smaller clean rooms, and fewer steps. New manufacturing options open that dramatically shape the way you manage uncertainty. Smaller reactors with fast turnaround time simply give you more scheduling flexibility. The XCell ATF cell intensification system can make your upstream processes deliver more, faster. It will help transform your upstream facility utilization, program advancement, and ultimately, how you do business.